anywhere from 100 to 300K a month profit.
And in that 1 year, I made $613,960.75.
Adding it up for a yearly revenue of $1,975,708 a year doing what he loves on YouTube.
In 2021, it shot up even more to $4,051,116.
What if I told you that there's a simple 3-step strategy that's quietly turning everyday creators into millionaires, and it has nothing to do with having a huge following or racking up millions of views? You may think that you need to become a full-time influencer who gets millions of views in order to make some serious money online, but the truth is there are thousands of creators who use this exact strategy every day, who don't even turn on a camera or make any content themselves. In this video, I'm gonna be breaking down the exact steps that these small creators are taking to turn their passions and skills into 6- and even 7-figure incomes, and you'd be amazed at how simple this really is. Now, in order to understand this strategy, you have to stop and think about what all of these creators have in common.
If I get a job at a camera shop, it gets me that much closer. I can learn cameras more. And then maybe I get an internship and I can learn more.
Every skill you add to your skill tool belt makes the rest of your skills more valuable.
Build high income skills.
You starting to see what I'm saying? What all of these creators have in common is they spent a large chunk of time dedicated to learning a skill. Now, this can literally be anything, whatever you're passionate about. This could be photography, videography, marketing, business, sports, arts and crafts, fishing, camping, outdoor stuff, traveling, whatever it is that you're into. If there's something you've spent a lot of time learning and getting very good at, then you have something in common with these creators as well. Now, the higher value your skill is, the more chances there is to make money from it. Now, what do I mean by a high value skill? Usually this breaks down into 3 main categories: health, wealth, and relationships. If you have skills in any of those departments, there's a good chance you can make a lot of money from these skills. What you have to understand is no matter what you're talented or passionate about, you have some value to offer to somebody else who's interested in those things. Creators like Peter McKinnon started out with their passion in photography and started creating content and sharing it to the world, and this led him to creating a multi-million-dollar brand now, just from sharing his passions and skills with the world. Or people like Alex Hormozi, who started with a passion for fitness and working out and turned that into a multi-million-dollar company and has since moved on to do multiple other things with his skills and passion. Okay, cool, so start by developing a skill in your passions. Got it. But now, how is that making them tons of money online? I mean, you don't see Peter McKinnon still running a photography business or Alex Hormozi still running a gym, so what are they doing to make all their money? The reason they aren't running a traditional brick and mortar style business anymore is because they found step 2 of this strategy, which is to build an audience around that skill or passion. Now, you might be saying, well, duh, they built an audience, but what does that mean exactly? How do I go about building an audience around a skill or a passion of mine? Well, to put it simply, you need to start producing content. Instead of just being a consumer of content, it's your turn to start creating content to share your skills with the world. Why? Well, because this is the absolute easiest way to get in front of your ideal audience. There are billions of people who use social media every day, and it would be silly to not be using that tool to get the attention of the people we're looking to gather and build an audience around. And like I said at the beginning of this video, you don't need to be the face of the channel or become some sort of full-time influencer to do this. For instance, this guy here, Nate Wealth, is a creator who creates content around viral editing techniques and how to grow on YouTube. You can see he barely started this channel just over a year ago, and when he first started out, his content was faceless, meaning he wasn't even on the channel at all. It was just animations with simple text on screen and some simple stock footage, just showing people the skills that he had learned in video editing and growing an audience online. Same thing with this guy here, Isaac. He's another creator who uses entirely AI to create all of his content. So he's not on the channel, his voice or his face isn't featured anywhere on here. And only with 5 videos, he's been able to grow his subscribers or his following up to 135,000 people, which is insane for never even having to show his face or to become a traditional influencer. His success and his skills that he had developed online through this content and is developing a very big audience of people through this. The truth of the matter is you need to be online in order to reach your ideal audience. The easiest way to start doing this is to find other creators in your space or around your skill and see what kind of content they're making. Try to find their top 3 best performing videos. Then I just take the ideas and concepts that they used within those videos to come up with my own concepts. This isn't stealing their ideas directly. Instead, it's taking inspiration from multiple different sources and combining them into one master video that has all of the concepts and information in one. This is the best way to gain some traction quickly because these creators have already done all the work to figure out which videos will do well. And by seeing how good these videos have done for these creators, you know that this video could do well for you too as well. This is the exact strategy I used to get my very first video to pop off on one of my first channels. I made that video over almost 4 years ago now, and that video is still bringing me in money to this day. That's the power of building an online presence. You create a video once, and it has the power to grow online forever. If you want to see exactly how I go through the process of finding the perfect videos and making my own remixed versions of them, check out this video up here. In that video, I dive in way more into how I find the perfect videos to recreate and how I go about making them even better than these creators. Sometimes I even use AI myself to help get inspiration and ideas for what type of content to make by using this custom trained AI bot that I've made. This AI bot has all of my tactics I've used over the years for creating content, figuring out exactly what viral trends work, what type of topics are best, and how to structure the perfect video to ensure that it can get the most amount of views. This AI bot knows everything about me, my goals, and the type of content I want to create, so now I can ask it for ideas and it gives me perfectly tailored content directly for me and my ideal audience. If you want to check this AI bot out, I call it my viral content agent, and there's a link down in the description where you can check it out for free. It will go through and ask you a bunch of questions, getting to know you and your goals so that it can tailor viral content specifically for you and your audience. This should help give you some inspiration and get the ball rolling when it comes to making content. All right, I get it. So these guys blew up because they have a huge following on social media, so now they're getting paid for all their views, right? But Josh, I thought you told me this had nothing to do with being on camera or getting tons of views and having a huge following. Well, it doesn't actually. There are tons of channels who are doing this exact same thing without even showing their face. Like this guy here named Islo, and he's a creator who creates content around Notion, which is a note-taking app, and it's gotten a lot of popularity over the last few years, and all Islo does is shares content here on Twitter. And you can see he doesn't even show his face. Some of his content has little video clips where he's in it, but other times he's just using other people to make content for him, and he just shares simple text-based content here on Twitter. Now, over the years, he's been able to grow his following to over 300,000 people, which is definitely a big following, but when he started, it wasn't this big at all. But the way he started earning his money is by selling his Notion templates that he had created over the years. Or here's another creator named Mimi Moo Illustrations. Now this girl here is an artist who likes to just sit at home and do these type of illustrations and drawings. Now she gets paid for doing commission work where she gets paid to make a specific type of art, but she also sells her digital products here on her own website where she sells digital art brushes or drawing guides teaching people how to do what she does, aka sharing her skills with the world. You can see here she has a step-by-step drawing guide. She has all kinds of different things that are for sale here, and people are buying these things because they like her style of art and they want to copy it or get the same type of results as her. So you see, it's not really about the type of content you make or where you're building your following. It's not even really about how much views you get on this content as much as it is about this next step. And that step is selling a product or service that solves your audience's biggest problems. So now that you've built this audience up around this skill, people are going to be wanting to know how you do what you do or how to get the results that you get as well. This is an opportunity to now offer some services or some sort of product to make money off these people. Now, this can be done in a number of different ways, but generally you're going to be selling some sort of an information product, meaning teaching your skill to other people, or selling a product or a service that helps them to get a result quicker or easier. So something like those drawing guides from Mimi Moo Art or those Notion templates from Islo, who helps other people to use Notion the same way that he uses it. For me, my skill and passion is in music creation and audio engineering. So my first YouTube channel that I created was teaching people my skills and my experiences with creating music. On my YouTube channel, I taught artists how to make music from their own home studios so they didn't have to go to a studio and pay for studio time or pay for audio engineers to do all the work for them. So since I had spent years developing my skills in mixing and recording music, let me put together some presets that can help artists get the same type of results that I get without having to know all of the skills and take all the time it took me to learn everything. So I created these presets and templates to help artists get the same type of results that I got. And over the years, I've only made a couple of videos for this YouTube channel, but those few videos have continued to grow and get views over the years and bring me in sales to my templates and presets, all without me doing any extra work. This completely changed the game for me when it comes to making money online because I was trying to sell my services originally and finding it hard to find new clients every day. But as soon as I started making content and sharing my skills with the world, now all of a sudden there was people who were asking me what kind of things I had to help them get the results they wanted. So I put together a product that could help them get a fast result, and I put it on my website for sale. And lo and behold, the people from my content started to find my products and passive income started to flow in. And over the past few years from these templates and presets being on my website, I've been able to make well over 6 figures just from those few couple videos being on my YouTube channel. And this is the exact strategy these other creators are using to create the kind of income they are while spending their time doing what they love doing. They create these products one time and they're able to sell them forever through their content that continues to grow every single day. So this is the key to earning huge money online. Develop a skill and start to create content and products around that skill. By sharing your passions and skills with the world, you can begin to grow an audience and earn a passive income, all while helping other people in the process. And I mean, what could be more fulfilling than that? So at this point, you may know what skill you have and or what kind of content you could create to help share that skill. But you may be asking still, what type of digital product could I create that could actually help people? Well, if that sounds like you, then I'd say check out this video right up here. In that video, I dive into the 3 biggest type of products that you can create that can easily make you over $100 per day. This should get your gears turning and get you going in the right direction. So I'll see you in that video.